Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is LC with Law Crypto. Thank you for joining me today. So I have a new project for us, right? And when I say new, I mean like it just hit the streets, right? So the project name is Shadows. The ticker is DOWS. And I think this is something interesting, is an interesting play in the market. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned. So if you like content like this, please like, subscribe to the channel. Every day I'm trying to find new ways for this community to make some money, okay? I believe that we all need to pull together our resources so we can come out clean in this bull run. Now, as I stated earlier, the project that we're looking at today is Shadows. It just hit the market. I mean, like I said, it's that new, right? March 2nd, 2021, this project just got introduced. You can buy it on Uniswap, and now let's dive in. Okay, so today, as I stated, we're gonna be talking about Shadows. Now, Shadows, the current price is $3.08. It has a circulating supply of, let's say, 37 million, and that will make its market cap 113.9 million. Now, let's look down at the chart below. As you can see, the 24 hours has been a lot of consolidation, which is very nice. In 7 days, there is no 7 days because we just seen this thing drop on March 2nd. So yeah, I see a nice little stable chart as of right now. We're not sure if it's going to break up or down, but consolidation, as you're coming straight to the market, you can't beat that because you're not going to see any huge moves to the downside, and you can wait to see some moves to the upside. Now you can get this project on Uniswap and Gate.io. I don't use Gate.io, so if anyone does, comment down below, let me know how that is for you. And let's go to the website. So Shadows is a hub for issuing, trading, lending, and borrowing synthetic assets. It says here that Shadows is the backbone of Web 3.0 as a store of value, allowing anyone to trade on-chain assets from anywhere. So what is Shadows? I like this website, by the way. So Shadows is a decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol built on Substrate. The value of these synthetic assets is underpinned by DOWS, and as long as DOWS is locked in a smart contract, synthetic assets can be issued. The unique debt pool design mechanism. Trading a synthetic asset is essentially a transfer between debts. Smart contracts automatically execute the conversion of a synthetic asset to another synthetic asset without an order book, without counterparties, and without the problems of liquidity and trading slippage. So that's pretty dope. I definitely had to do some more research into that because the mechanism within itself, you don't have to worry about slippage. That's pretty big right there. So decentralized derivatives financial hub. All right, so we have trade freely, allowing anyone to trade on-chain assets from anywhere. $1 trillion market, bringing trillions of offline financial assets into the Polkadot ecosystem through synthetic asset agreements. Now, variable debt pool, unique variable debt pool design without counterparties, without any order book, and without the problems of liquidity, trading, and slippage. We said that. And privacy and security. Everyone can have their own assets on the chain. Cross-border circulation and transaction can be achieved without regulation or censorship. And I guess that's why it's named Shadows. All right, so I'm gonna link the website in the description just so you know you can get in here and dive in a little more, but I'm gonna go down a little further. So technical framework. Cross-chain asset synthesis and cross-chain asset trading are supported based on cross-chain characteristics of Polkadot. And here they give you a design format of how Shadow works. And you can see here off-chain worker Shadow, and it goes into Polkadot and other chains. And basically it can be deposited. You have the fee pool. Okay, it's nice. All right, now I'm over here on Medium, and this is gonna show us the breakdown of the token metrics. Okay, now the summary, you have the token name down, we know that. Now the total supply is 100 million. Now they said the initial circulating supply was 7.3 million and the initial market cap of 918,750,000. In the token allocation, you have 20% to early investors, 10% to the foundation, 5% to advisors, 2% to liquidity provision, and 63% to the ecological incentives. And this really quickly was their rounds, and it came to market at 0.125, so basically a little over 12 cents. And as I stated, it is now $3.17. So the investors that got in on this, they weren't playing. They were not playing at all. So they must know something. They know this thing about to blow, apparently, right? So Shadow Network DAOs, Tokenomics, all right, got to that. Here we have their partners. So Synthetic Asset Disruptor announces strategic investors and partners. Just taking a quick look, we have DuckDAO, we have Master Ventures, we have Bitcoin.com, Alphabyte, Chain Capital, GBV, Poker Fund, yeah, Real Fund. they have some mighty partners, let me say. And here, I'm on Shadow Network's Medium still. Here it says Shadow partners with Linear to bring synthetic asset to Polkadot. And this is the news here. So this dropped 4 days ago. The first substrate-based decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol has teamed up with the first cross-chain compatible Delta One asset protocol. Or a mouthful, Shadow Network and Linear Finance are joining forces. Our latest strategic partnership will lay the foundation for a burgeoning ecosystem of Polkadot, which has the potential to capture more and more value in the years to come. A non-custodial DeFi protocol, Linear Finance enables users to quickly and cost-effectively create, trade, and manage liquid assets, liquids in Linear parlance, and creative thematic digital traded funds. Linear and Shadows share a common goal, as we too aim to facilitate a seamless trading experience for users, in our case using our collateralized stablecoin and decentralized trading platform. Together, our ambition as a consortium is to bring synthetic assets to Polkadot, allowing users from anywhere in the world to trade real-world commodities on-chain as well as to stake and earn. Now, this is bridging the gap, okay? So basically, they're trying to get the outside world, outside of crypto, to get into the crypto world by trading these real-world assets and also taking a stake into crypto. So this can bring a huge amount of money into crypto if they get this to work, and also is gonna grow the community of the crypto space that's gonna make us more mainstream. It gives us a great deal of satisfaction to partner with Linear, which has attracted investments from some heavyweight venture firms, not least Black Edge, Kinetic, and Alameda Research. Like Shadows Network, the Linear team is committed to increasing inclusiveness and democratizing assets to investment assets, combining technical proficiency with extensive financial experience. Now, man, I'm telling you, this thing, with this partnership, so of course we always want to see partnerships in crypto. If you have a partnership that's just bridging two communities, that's going to make the coin price jump, right? But this thing here, I mean, this is some real world finance. They literally bring in real world finance into crypto. It's making things real. It's making things tangible, okay? The DeFi space is not over. Like they're expanding it. They're making it more elastic. They're being creative and finding new ways for people to get money. And hey, look, what does the loyal crypto community do? We're trying to make people profitable, and this is exactly what this project is doing. Now, while the backbone of Linear's protocol is their collateralized debt pool, backed by the Linear Lena token, Shadows Network relies on DAOs over collateralization to create the XUSD stablecoin, equivalent to users taking on $1 of debt. Smart contracts build on-chain mirror worlds for familiar assets, X Gold, X Tesla, enabling the value of such assets to circulate freely and safely on-chain in the form of debt. Man, So if you're tired of the stock market, you could still trade your Tesla here in the crypto space. If you're tired of your commodities market, you can still trade your gold in the crypto space using Shadows. Man, I'm telling you, this is gonna bring some bread. Woo! I'm hyped. All right, so I'm gonna link this article in the description as well. And yeah, I think that sums up what Shadows is doing. And like I said, they're stable right now. Look, I'm making this video, they recently dropped, they just came to market. It is stable right now. It's not doing one of those parabolic moves out of nowhere. I'm not sure, I can't look at a chart of it right now, but even if there's bots in there, they're keeping the price pretty stable at 350. Now, the public price was supposed to be a lot lower. It says here that the public sale was supposed to be 0.125, so a little over 12 cents. All right, now just a little over 12 cents, that's a lot. 350, that's a far ways away. But what I'm seeing, all I can see is a chart that's showing that it's stable. If you definitely want to wait until it takes a little dip, then that would be great. I think that's a beautiful buy. But as I can see right now, I can just go off of the data, what it's telling me. I can't even bring it up on a chart because it's so early. This is telling me that this is stable. All right, so if you're interested in getting into Shadow's project, I definitely say it looks like a nice bet. But if you're also waiting to see if it's gonna dip maybe under $2, then I can understand that logic as well. So this is my video on Shadows. I think this thing is gonna go up in this bull market, so this is definitely something you want to keep on your radar. Okay, that wraps up my overview on Shadows. I think it's a good project. I think we could definitely make something of it. Right now, as I stated, it just hit the market, so we want to see where's going to be the great buy zone for us. It can go up, it can go down. We need some information to tell us what, okay? So if you like content like this, again, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm gonna have more coming to you every day because I believe this is just the beginning of the bull run. And if it's the beginning of the bull run, it's time to get projects now and wait for blast off, right? So, all right, like I said, I'm gonna keep coming to you with information, and yeah, I'll see you. One. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So before you go, one of the things I wanted to let you know about is Tokenomics. Now, I use Tokenomics to help me find winning projects, and what I built this community around is helping people find new ways to make money, okay? And I feel like Tokenomics is gonna help you become profitable in your portfolios. Now, what Tokenomics does is use artificial intelligence and machine learning to rank different cryptocurrencies and make sure you're getting the best for your money, okay? Now, what they do here is they look at the actual market cap rankings, they look at the code reviews, and they give you a quant grade based off what they learned through their artificial intelligence program and the machine learning that they leverage to make sure you're getting the best projects in your portfolios. They also have a toggle here to show if you're looking at an investment from a trader perspective or an investor perspective, okay? So it'll actually give you different ranked projects based off of how you're treating your portfolios. It'll show you top projects if you're a long-term investor and what you should invest in immediately, or if you're a trader, what will be the best bets for you to hold within a month span or for a quarterly or yearly span. So I definitely think this is a great tool, and it cuts down that learning curve to make sure you're gaining profit immediately. So check out the links below and you can sign up for a trial. It'll give you 7 days to check out what they do here, and you can leverage some of their AI and machine learning, and you can cancel before the trial period is over. So for the different plans, they have a holder plan, investor plan, and professional plan. And as you can see, you can have a 7-day trial for the holder plan for only $199 and an investor plan for $499. You can cancel before the 7-day trial, or let's say if you wanted to start off with the investor plan for $499, and you can always switch over to the holder plan for $29.99 a month before that 7-day trial is over. So take a look at Tokenomics. I believe this will be a great service that you're doing yourself if you want to be a crypto millionaire or at least a crypto six-figure.